Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your geo plan speed and the exact device model, because knowing the limit explains what's achievable. Plug a laptop directly into the router with Ethernet and run a speed test, since wired tests remove Wi-Fi noise. Once done, check for and apply router firmware updates, then power cycle the modem and router. This clears caches and forces new connections. Make sure to note the obtained Mbps, as this anchors all further tweaks and shows whether the network is underperforming. You now optimize the wireless layer. Move devices that support 5 GHz onto that band because it reduces interference and raises throughput. Just be mindful of range limitations. Next, set the router's channel and channel width manually, scan for quiet channel and choose 20/40/80 MHz depending on congestion. Then change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8, 8, 8 to speed resolution. Finally, enable Co-S and prioritize video or work devices so critical traffic gets first access to bandwidth. You finish by retesting both wired and wireless speeds to confirm improvements, and then compare those numbers to your plan. Make sure to relocate the router to a central, elevated spot away from microwave and cordless phone interference and minimize wall obstructions. If speeds remain poor, perform a factory reset and reconfigure with the optimized settings you noted earlier. If that still fails, contact Geo support with your speed test logs and device model. One troubleshooting tip: after a reset, test wired first. If wired is fine, the problem is wireless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.